Hey, so I wanted to give a little shop update to the chaos that is my life. So we unfortunately did have to send the motor back to the machine shop. I still haven't made it to the shop yet, but yeah, they're just gonna fix that scratch, just smooth it down, and we're gonna call it gravy. It should be fine. But I did get some access to a real shop, which we're gonna put a lift in. We're gonna put a nice air compressor in, and gonna be using it with a older gentleman that does some body work. So that's gonna be a ton of fun. So I bought this nice air compressor, 300 bucks. Nice commercial grade one, and I was hoping there wasn't going to be anything wrong with it, but yeah, we got something fell down in there, so we'll probably need a piston. The rest of it looks pretty good. I'll send some videos of just fixing up the pump, but it's an 80-gallon. The hard part was finding a single phase motor for it. I sold the 3-phase for 100 bucks, and so yeah, we're gonna get that going. So be plenty of air between the both of us, and then we'll get there really working on a few new projects. One being Miss Piggy. Oh yeah, this little girl. We're gonna get her running. Got a few other things in line, so exciting stuff to have an actual shot with a lift. That's just gonna make things a lot easier. A lot easier on my back, a lot easier on my marriage. So gonna take some of the projects out of our little 2-car garage and bring them down there. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching.